When we infuse oils, we like to do big batches so you can have extra oil for different recipes. So today we'll be using 8 ounces of almond oil and 1 cup of dry rose flowers. We're going to completely cover the rose petals with the almond oil. We have the oil and the roses infusing in a double boiler system at low heat. It will be there for at least 2 hours infusing, but 4 hours is ideal. So I've run the oil that was infused with the petals through a strainer, and there's the oil infused. It smells delicious. Those little speckles are leftover flowers. If they bother you or you don't want them, you would just strain it again through a coffee filter or similar cloth.